Alrighty guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about my favorite condenser, large cap condenser microphone, and that is the WA87 vintage style large diaphragm condenser. It's amazing. I'm really in awe. It's just a great sounding microphone, and I'm kind of going to get into why. It's a vintage style nickel condenser microphone, like I said. It's modeled after the popular WA87, which is made from Neumann. Really popular large condenser microphone that's been used on just thousands of professional recordings, but is also extremely expensive. I think they run at about $3,000 for a lot of them, and especially the old ones, the original ones. This is essentially one that's modeled after it and is very cheap compared to it. Essentially what Warm Audio did was they closely kind of followed the early circuit designs of the mic so they could get pretty close to how it sounds. I think it sounds incredibly alike. There's some purists that will argue that, but it really does have a lot of the same kind of warm characteristics of the WA87. The design is really sleek. I'll try and pull it out of this box. The design is really sleek and sturdy. It's got some weight to it too, which is nice. I always kind of try and judge a microphone, weirdly enough, by how much it weighs. I think the weight can really tell you a lot about something. It's like, does it feel high quality? Does it feel professional? And it really does. It's sleek, it's sturdy, it's strong. It feels like a pro quality microphone. The capsule on top is really, really nice looking. I mean, it definitely has that vintage style look to it, which I love. And it's nice and big. It picks up a ton of sound, which is, what you want in a condenser microphone. You really want it to pick up all those little characteristics and nuances and things like that. Especially if you're recording vocals or acoustic guitars and things like that, which I've used it for all of those. I've used it for violins as well, and I think it just works for a lot of different vocals too, which is one thing that I really love. It's very versatile, and its sound worked extremely well for different vocalists that I've recorded with, which is one thing you don't really find in a lot of microphones. Before this, I was using Shure SM7B, which is a great microphone, no hate at all, but it definitely doesn't work for some vocalists. This has just off the bat worked for everyone I've used it with, so that's awesome. In terms of the little things that it comes with, it has obviously your high pass filter on the side, or you can even out flat frequency response. You have your -10 dB pad right here on the side, and then you can also change your polar patterns. So you have, your cardioid, omnidirectional, and figure of 8 right there as well. So, it's versatile in that way too. You can pick up from different directions and things of the like. What it comes with, Warm Audio gives a nice little package together for you. The shock mount, which is very, very high quality. Again, really heavy, nice and sturdy. And yeah, it fits in really, just really nicely. It's really easy to just put it in there. The one thing I will say that I don't like is the way they built this screw. I think taking that, putting it on, and then you having to spin this entire device around the stand to get it screwed on is a little bit annoying. Maybe there are better ways to deal with it that I'm not doing correctly, but even with that, I can live with it. It's not a huge deal. It also comes with a smaller, if you don't want the whole shock mount ordeal, they also give you a smaller hard mount. Just makes life a little simpler, I guess. My favorite thing about this that it comes with is the box. Really, really nice, high quality wood case with the Warm Audio insignia on the front. And, it's really nice. It's got the foam on the inside to keep your mic nice and safe. It's really soft layering on the inside, so you don't have to worry about it. Close it up, lock it, and you're good. It's great for storing, transporting, really whatever, you know, you could think of. So yeah, I would highly, highly recommend this microphone for anybody who's looking to record just really professional style vocals or acoustic instruments or things of that nature. Essentially, if you're looking for a large diaphragm condenser, Warm Audio's got it. They know what they're doing, and they're making great products. So yeah, happy recording.